In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coupon on Agoda. I'll walk you through the complete process step by step so you can save money on your travel bookings in a quick and simple way. Using coupons on Agoda is a great way to reduce travel expenses while still enjoying access to a huge selection of accommodations and travel deals from around the world. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Agoda website. Once the homepage loads, you'll immediately notice a wide variety of travel offers, hotel discounts, and accommodation choices available across many different destinations. Agoda is known for offering competitive pricing and flexible booking options, including free cancellation on selected properties, making it a convenient platform for travelers. After arriving on the website, the next thing you need to do is sign in to your account. Look toward the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the sign-in option. Click on it, and for a faster and more convenient login experience, choose the option to continue using your Google account. This method is not only simple, but also helps keep your account access secure and easy to manage. Once the sign-in process is complete, you'll be redirected back to your Agoda account. Now that you're logged in, head back to the Agoda homepage and start searching for the hotel or flight you want to book. Use the search bar to enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests included in the booking. Agoda will then display a list of available results based on the information you entered. Take your time browsing through the options to find the accommodation or flight that best matches your budget and preferences. Once you've found the option you want, click on it to view more details. Agoda will show important information such as room types, available amenities, bed options, and pricing details. Carefully review everything before moving forward to make sure the booking fits your needs. When you're ready to continue, click the Book Now button. This will take you to the booking summary page, where you can review your reservation details and see the total cost before payment. Double-check the information carefully to avoid any mistakes. Next, look for the promotional code or coupon code field, usually located near the payment or pricing section. Enter your coupon code carefully, then apply it. If the coupon is valid, the discount will automatically appear in the total amount, helping you save money on your booking. And that's it. You've successfully used a coupon on Agoda and made your trip more affordable. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.